How to ask for a haircut. I think this is probably the 19th time I've done a video on this, but because there's millions and millions of people watching YouTube every single day, if not billions, a lot of new viewers are discovering my channel. I still get daily emails from new viewers asking me questions that I've gone over many times in the past. So I just want to reiterate and go over a number of things, also some updates on how and what to ask for a haircut. So first and foremost, I always say that this thing right here, yes, it's called a cell phone, and Google are going to be your best friends. I've told you guys many times, show a picture of the haircut that you want. What's happening is, and I keep getting messages about this, is, oh, I showed my barber a photo and it didn't come out exactly what I thought, or doesn't look anything like the picture. Or I showed my hairstylist, or I tried to explain to them what to do and it didn't come out right. I'm sorry you experienced that, first of all. Second of all, unfortunately, there's nothing I myself can do about it. I can't teach someone how to cut hair, and I can't take responsibility for how other people cut hair. The best thing you can do, honestly, is show them a photo of the exact type of haircut that you want. Also, use visual cues, meaning like, I want my hair to grow, I want my hair down to here. A lot of times when you tell a hairstylist, for the most part, I don't know about barbers as much, but if you tell a hairstylist, hey, I want to grow my hair out, don't cut it that much, they usually will go into somewhat of a panic state and take off very little, because the last thing a hairstylist wants, and I've seen this firsthand, is when you take too much off. And please let me know in the comments below if you've experienced this, where you say just a little bit off, you know, just skim the ends, and they take off like 2 inches. And I don't know why that happens. I really honestly don't. But you need to really emphasize, just trim the dead ends. I'm literally trying to grow my hair down to here. I'm trying to grow my hair down to here. I'm trying to grow my hair to here. Just really skim the ends and clean it up. That's it. Really, if you emphasize that and show them a photo, maybe even show them a photo of something longer than what you want so that they don't cut too much hair. So it really comes down to, you know, how to ask for a haircut is really just simple communication, right? And also there's something, you know, very unique about having a cell phone, right? There's a new app that I am a part of that we just launched called Rock Paper. And literally it's available on Android, it's available on iOS, and it's an app that you can go on, you can create your own profile, you can browse through images, you can take notes of the type of haircut that you want. You can just, it's an amazing tool that all you have to do is show your stylist. That stylist just scans in the QR code and they can read it over. They can see the types of images you want. You can save your own images to your profile. You can save pictures from the galleries, almost like Pinterest, onto your own profile, and it's free. It's called Rock Paper. It's available on the App Store on Android and iOS. I mean, there's so much going on right now with technology. There's so many easy ways to communicate this is what you're looking for. So, you know, now when it comes to a lot of everyone wanting to know how long should the haircut be, or how long, because if you go to a hairstylist and say, I want my hair to be 3 inches, I want my hair to be 7 inches long on top, we don't have rulers, right? As a hairstylist, we're not carrying rulers around measuring. And it's more of a visual thing. So what you need to do, again, is if you want your hair to be, you know, 6, 7 inches long, you need to hold and say, I want my hair to be this tall, or I want my hair to be long enough to come down to my lip. Use those types of words instead of saying, I want my hair to be 5 inches on top and 1.5 inches on the sides. It's really difficult to gauge that. And as a creative person and many other hairstylists or even barbers, sometimes we're thrown off by that because, you know, we cut hair with combs, not rulers, you know? So it can be a bit challenging. You need to really understand something else. If you're getting a bad haircut, and I've gotten a lot of comments and messages about people saying, oh, you know, every time I show a picture to my barber, he screws it up. Well, maybe it's time to find a new barber, you know, maybe it's time to find a new hairstylist. How do you find the right person? Well, I've done videos on that, but just to go over it again, the best method to go about finding a good barber or hairstylist, honestly, is either Yelp, right? Go on Yelp and look at reviews. Go on Instagram, just search on hashtags like whatever city, you know, you're in, and then add the word hairstylist to it, add the word barber to it, add, you know, hashtag whatever town hair salon, hashtag whatever town you're in barber shop, and what's going to happen is you're going to start to see people putting out their work. It's the easiest and best way to really narrow down if that person is the right person for you. For example, if you want a longer, like Timothée Chalamet type haircut or Shawn Mendes type haircut, I would not really suggest a barber right off the bat. You know, there are barbers obviously who can cut longer hair and they're great, and it's just like there's hairstyles that do great fading and barber type work, but you know, if you're looking for a skin fade with like a harsh lineup, I wouldn't think of a hairstylist to go to for my first choice. So you really want to make sure you're going to the right professional, and really consider if you're going to a barber and you're trying to grow your hair and you keep getting your hair butchered, maybe it's time to switch over to a salon. If you're going to a salon and you want those skin fades and you want the hair really, really tight and short and you're just not getting that result, maybe it's time to go to a barber. I mean, it's really your choice. It's your own hair and your own head. And you have to make those right decisions. And I mean, that's really pretty much it. Like, how to ask for a haircut. I mean, a lot of it is just saying, showing them, this is what I'm looking for. Use visual cues, be descriptive, don't focus so much on techniques and, oh, hold the hair out 90 degrees here and 45 degrees here. And because I've had people try to do that to me, and I'm just like, look, here's scissors, here's a comb, cut it yourself. You know, like if you're so precise and so knowledgeable and you know exactly what you should be doing, then you do it. You know, it's just like, let us do what we need and know how to do best. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video valuable, and if you are new to my channel, I have over 1,500 videos on my channel. Just search whatever you're looking for and add the word The Salon Guy, all one word. Chances are you're gonna find what you're looking for. I'm still obviously going to be making content 5 days a week. Also, Black Friday is around the corner, so I'm doing a 30% off deal from Black Friday to Cyber Monday, and it's always the biggest sale of the year, so just get ready for that, and it's going to be very exciting. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.